In this video, you are going to see how to write the division multiplication exactly in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, you will see this is not the correct way. The asterisk or the multiplication symbol are not looking good, and the division also, and we are use this method. Let's get started. To make the correct way, let us go to the file, go to option, go to the proofing, and go to autocorrect option and go to math autocorrect, and this option should be checked. Use math autocorrect rules outside of math region and click on OK and click on OK. Now if I want A asterisk B, let us increase the font size for better understanding. A, let us write the backslash and write here AST, hit the space and write here B, and this is the exact way. If I want to apply the multiplication, let us write A backslash, then write here times, hit space and write here B. If I want to write the division, write here A, the backspace and write here div, hit space and write here B. And if I want to write A dot B, A and the backslash c dot and write here B. And this is the exact way to write the division, multiplication and asterisk in Microsoft Word document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.